Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow websites to connect and ask for access to your clipboard on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Chrome browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then proceed to go down and select Settings. On the left side, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security, and then on the right, you want to select Site Settings. Scrolling down underneath Additional Permissions, go ahead and expand that. And then there should be an entry in here that says Clipboard. Go ahead and select that. And where it says Sites can ask to see text and images on your clipboard, you can go ahead and make that selected in here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.